Today, I would like to say something about Facebook. Facebook is a fun site. Facebook helps us to gather and connected with our friends all over the world. Facebook was invented by Mark Zuckerberg in 2004. He invented this for only college student, but when it get very popular, if I describe Facebook as advantage and disadvantage also. If I say advantage, then easy communication. One, easy communication. We can communicate with others very easily from one side to another side in the world. We can share our photos, our videos, our comment by this, and educational purpose. We can get many important contents from here. Just like I watched the fantasy English fantasy video from Facebook and admitted here. Then business purpose, businessmen can take their photo and upload in Facebook. After that, they can improve their business by Facebook. Entertainment, we can get entertainment from Facebook as well. After all, there have some disadvantage too from Facebook, just like data theft by our unconscious mind. Many third parties can steal our information from our Facebook. We can get very close to Facebook, then we can lose our time in it very much. And that's all, everyone. Actually, this is my first time in speech. That's why I am little bit nervous. If I made any mistakes, please forgive me. Thank you.